Hello and welcome back to the Path English today. We will talk about something powerful, something simple but not easy. Self-discipline. You want to change your life. You want to grow. You want to become better. But sometimes you stop, you delay, you lose focus, and slowly your goals feel far away. But here is the truth. Discipline is not something you are born with. Discipline is something you build, one small action, every single day. In this episode, I will speak slowly. I will use simple words, and I will repeat key ideas so you can listen, repeat, and speak with me. This is shadowing. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin together. Part 1. Small actions create big change. Many people think success comes from big actions, but that is not true. Big results come from small actions repeated daily. One page today, one step today, one choice today. It looks small, it feels small, but over time, it becomes powerful. Let me tell you a story. There was a man who wanted to get fit. He didn't go to the gym for hours. He started with just 5 minutes a day. 5 minutes. It felt easy. It felt simple. But he did it every day. After 1 week, he felt better. After 1 month, he felt stronger. After 6 months, he was a different person, not because of one big action, but because of small daily discipline. Say this with me. Small actions every day build a strong life. I grow step by step. Part 2. Remove what steals. Your focus discipline is not only about doing more, it is also about doing less of the wrong things. Distractions are everywhere. Your phone, social media, noise, people, random thoughts. They take your time, they take your energy, and slowly they take your future. Here is the truth. If you don't control your focus, something else will. Let me give you an example. A student wants to study English. He sits down, ready to learn. But then, one notification, one message, one video, and suddenly, 1 hour is gone. No progress, only regret. So he makes a simple change. He turns off his phone. He studies for 20 minutes without interruption. Just 20 minutes. And now he improves. Say this with me. I protect my focus. I remove what slows me down. Part 3. Build a strong routine. Discipline becomes easier when you create a routine. You don't need to think. You don't need to decide. You just follow the plan. Morning routine, study routine, work routine. Simple, clear, repeatable. Let me tell you a story. A woman wanted to improve her English. Every day she said, I will study later. But later never came. So she changed one thing. She chose a fixed time every day. 7 p.m. No thinking, no excuses, just action. After a few weeks, it became a habit. After a few months, she became confident because routine removes resistance. Say this: I follow my routine. I show up every day. Part 4. Take action. Even when it's hard, you will not always feel motivated. Some days you feel tired. Some days you feel lazy. Some days you feel nothing. That is normal. But discipline is not about feeling ready. It is about acting anyway. Even a little. Even something small. Let me tell you a story. A young student wanted to practice English daily. One day, he felt very tired. He wanted to skip, but instead, he said, I will do just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. He started speaking, and after 2 minutes, he continued. Because starting is the hardest part. Say this with me. I take action even when it's hard. I don't wait for motivation. Part 5. Become the person you want to be. Every action you take builds your identity. You are not what you say. You are what you do. Every day, if you act with discipline, you become disciplined. If you act with focus, you become focused. So ask yourself, who do I want to become? Then act like that person. Today, not tomorrow, not someday. Today. Let me tell you one last story. A man wanted to become confident, but he always stayed quiet. One day, he made a decision. Every day, he would speak one sentence in English. Just one. At first, it was hard, but he continued. And slowly, he changed. Not because of talent, but because of daily action. Say this: I become what I do every day. I choose discipline. I choose growth. Great job today. You didn't just listen. You practiced. You trained your mind. Remember, discipline is built, not found. Small steps create big change. Consistency is your power. Come back to this lesson again. Listen again. Shadow again. Each time, you grow stronger. This is the path English, and I'm proud of you. Keep going.